Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essentials: app version, OS, and free storage. Once done, restart the app and the device to eliminate transient faults. Then, clear cache or app data to remove corrupted temp files. Make sure to note recent changes like updates, new installs, or permission edits because those clues speed diagnosis. Start with the simplest fixes first. They often resolve errors quickly, and knowing what changed helps you avoid repeating steps later. Once preliminary resets are done, reproduce the problem reliably so you can trace it. Record steps, logs, and screenshots for precision. Then, test on a second device or an emulator to determine if the issue is specific to one environment. Make sure to inspect network connectivity, app permissions, background services, and third-party dependencies because conflicts often live there. If logs show exceptions, follow the stack trace. If network fails, validate endpoints and certificates before changing. You now apply the smallest effective fix. Change one thing at a time and document it so you can roll back if needed. Run unit and integration tests, then perform a quick smoke test on the target device to confirm core flows work. Make sure to monitor logs and metrics during verification. If the problem persists, roll back to the previous state, compare diffs to identify regressions, and escalate with detailed logs and reproduction steps. That's the single best troubleshooting tip when.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.